It's longboarding for the win here, and we're going to be going longboarding probably, most likely. We might go on an adventure today, longboarding, but it's pouring out rain. It's not really pouring, but it is it's raining quite a bit. Alright. There we go. Put that in my bag. So I'm taking the wheels off this board right here. It's not even leveled, you guys can tell. Well, even with, yeah, it's like this. Alright, so I'm taking the wheels off because I need to oh crap, let me put this away real quick. Taking all the wheels off because I'm meeting up with one of my friends and on the trail halfway or something. But basically, I'm going to be giving him some wheels to put on his skateboard. I'm not too sure how well it's going to work out without longboard trucks. I'm planning on using his skateboard trucks. Alright, well, I'll get back to you guys. Hey guys, this work? For longboarding. Alright. In the rain. I should be meeting up with this guy real quick. Let's see, he's up there. He Snapchatted me, he was up there. In the tunnel right up here. This is a terrible day to go longboarding. Brought some wheels for him though, he's got a skateboard. Alright, let me just push my board up real quick. Dude, look at all that rain on my board. Alright, well, we should be up here. Let's see. Oh, there he is. Right there. Oh! Oh! Huh? Wait. Yeah. Alright.
What do you want to on this?
Wonder why your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street.
Boy, dude.
Oh, did you hear that?
I thought you were going to be here already. That's why I said about like 4.
Yeah, I thought you were leaving at 12:45. So I was like, okay, then now I'm leaving too. Or around there.
Wait, I think I'm going to shoot. No, I'm good.